Welcome to my walking tour in Bangkok, Thailand. In Bangkok, the main mode of transportation is the scooter, which me and my friend used to take quite often to skip the lines, the long queues, because you can see the heavy traffic. It was also really fun to do this alongside with our friends. We could rent through like an Uber or an app like that, so it was really easy and practical to travel like this wherever we wanted to. Here we were in Chinatown celebrating the new Chinese Year, which was extremely fun. We had a cocktail, we were taking pictures with these beautiful ladies, and we were eating Scorpios on Skasan Road, which is a party place. I was not brave enough to eat one, but my friend Katie, she did. This is my favorite park in Bangkok called Lumpini Park, and as you can see it has these giant lizards called the monitor lizards, which are not dangerous at all but look very scary. Just the tourists are very scared of them, but the locals don't even think about them, as you can see the baby here. Bangkok is such a fun city to visit because it has so many pet cafes, like the Corgi Cafe, as you can see here. It has the cat cafe, the raccoon cafe, every animal you can possibly think of, this place has a cafe for it, and it's really cool and nice and very cute. I was absolutely fascinated by their temples. They're massive, they're beautiful, they have golden details, colorful details. This one is called Wat Po and it's in the city center of Bangkok. Here you can see me just doing this. I don't know what it is, but I just know it brings luck, so I had to do it. It was very loud and also very heavy. When it comes to favorite places in Bangkok, this has to be one of my favorites. This is called the Museum of Contemporary Art. And we went here 2 times because that's how much we liked it. Also, we had a student discount, which was really nice, but the art here is amazing, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see in my videos, we had so much fun being here. We took a lot of cute pictures. It was also a Vogue exhibition, Vogue Thailand. These are my cute pictures, which I really like. When it comes to food, we had so much Thai food, but I'm obsessed with brunch. So this was my favorite brunch plate. It's called Baby Chino. I recommend it 100%. I came here for the sweets not every Sunday, but extremely often, maybe too often. And to help burn those calories, I was practicing with my friend Muay Thai boxing, which is boxing but a Thai version of boxing. We had so much fun. He decided to teach me and my best friend Raquel how to do it, and we became such close friends, always working out, hanging out together, and this was extremely fun. This place was my friend's block of apartments. She had the condo here, and on top she had an infinity pool, which was absolutely amazing. She invited us and we spent our afternoon here watching this beautiful sunset. Bangkok is well known for parties, especially for rooftop parties. The DJs are incredible, the music is insane, the people are beautiful and fun. They really know how to throw a party, and we had such a good time here. We used to go party quite often, and I recommend the Octave rooftop bar and the Tichuca rooftop bar, which I'll show you in a moment. It is beautiful, it has amazing lights, and it's unique. Another important celebration we got to enjoy there was the Thai New Year, which is called Sokran. In the last week in Bangkok, me and my friends rented a boat to go party on the Bangkok River. This is me and my best friend, which you already know by now, popping champagne, learning how to DJ with one of my closest friends, and of course getting a little souvenir from Thailand, which is a tattoo obviously, and then saying goodbye to Raquel, which was so sad. But we all know that all beautiful things must come to an end, and so is our exchange in Thailand, which I will forever be grateful for all the amazing memories that I had there.